And there's this silent epidemic that's been going on forever, and it is human trafficking. The death that we experience is a death that you experience over and over all day. You just die spiritually all day. You die a silent death.
Survivors of trafficking can accumulate really long criminal records. Could be prostitution, could be theft, could be drug charges. In Ohio, there are over 800 barriers in the law that limit what a person with a criminal record can do, where they can volunteer, if they can adopt, where they can work. OSBF provides funding for Ohio Justice and Policy Center to be able to spread education in the community about different laws that can help survivors of trafficking. Some of our clients get to walk away with clean or nearly clean records, and they can get housing and employment and education and boost to self-esteem. It started with just a few workshops, a few potential clients, and one court who had a little bit of interest. And it's just grown tremendously. There's still a lot of work to do, but the funding from OSBF has let us take a huge leap forward.
And what that framework does is lays out, I suppose, a sketch or a good foundation for what the different laws are in Ohio and under federal law that lawyers might encounter when working with human trafficking victims. We noticed that no one really had pulled together all of the different laws and how they interact, which is a very complex network of different statutes and policies and court proceedings and court procedures.
So the legal framework and training project has been extremely helpful in ensuring that survivors of trafficking will receive holistic services moving forward, moving out of a trafficking situation.
The project would not have happened were it not for the Bar Foundation's support.
This framework allows anyone who comes into contact with a survivor to be able to set them on the right path, to be able to start providing help, and I think that's drastically important.
I actually have a sense of acceptance on all levels because of this process. I've had my record expunged and sealed. I'm in management because of this expungement. I'm in school, in college, and my associates for social work, mental health, and I'm going to be a counselor.
So after working with survivors of trafficking for the last 2 years, they're some of the most resilient people I've ever met in my entire life. It's incredible what can happen if you give someone who's been so strong and so resilient for so many years at times an opportunity and the right tools to have a fresh start. And I want everyone to know that, we need to make sure we offer that opportunity as much as possible.